Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical guide on how to send Ethereum from Revolut to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, securing your assets has never been more important. Whether you're new to this or just want a quick refresh, this step-by-step tutorial will have you transferring ETH safely in no time. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your Ledger Nano X is set up and updated. In 2025, Ledger's firmware might have new security features, so head to the Ledger Live app on your computer or mobile device and check for any updates. Once that's done, connect your Ledger Nano X via USB and open the Ethereum app on the device. This ensures your hardware wallet is ready to receive funds. Next, log into your Revolut app. Revolut has made some improvements by 2025, like enhanced transaction speeds and better fee estimates, so keep an eye out for those. Navigate to your cryptocurrency section, select Ethereum, and choose the Send or Transfer option. Now, here's the crucial part. You need the receiving address from your ledger. On Ledger Live, go to the Accounts tab, select your Ethereum wallet, and copy the address displayed. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Always verify that long string of characters. Back in Revolut, paste that address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of ETH you want to send, and review the transaction details, including network fees. In 2025, Ethereum's network might be even more efficient thanks to upgrades, but fees can still vary, so pick the option that suits your budget. Hit Confirm, and authorize the transaction with your Revolut security PIN or biometrics. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to process, depending on network congestion. Head back to Ledger Live to monitor the incoming transfer. You'll see the ETH appear in your wallet once it's confirmed on the blockchain. Congrats! You've just moved your Ethereum to a more secure hardware wallet. A quick word of caution. Always use the official apps and double-check addresses to prevent scams or lost funds. If you're unsure, reach out to customer support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Stay safe out there.